Okay, so we have this PDF file built by the IFP back in 2002. I have previously posted on LinkedIn this file and I have made it available for download. I'm going to post a link to it once more in the description here. And basically what we have is the wellbore models, reservoir models, and boundary models that pertain to the domain of pressure transient analysis. And what this file does for you is it lists all the individual models in each bullet point. And what you can do is you click on it, and this is a live link that takes you to the model page with further details about that specific model. Each page shows you a bit of a schematic at the top right, and the schematic is color coded so you can see on the derivative response the parameters you can extract out of the interpretation of derivative in each plot region. Okay, you can click now on this image and it'll take you back to the shapes catalog. You can go to another model page, or you can click back on the title and it'll take you to the original menu. Okay, so it's a great, very handy interactive file to have at hand. The problem is obviously you need to have access to the file to be able to open it and use it in this interactive fashion. So it's a little bit inconvenient. Sometimes you don't have access to the file, you're not on your computer decided to die on you and you have no access to the file. So the idea here with this tutorial is to show you how you can turn this interactive file into a web-based page with the interactive catalog. So I want to replicate the functionality, but instead of having it sitting on a PDF file, I want to have it on a live web page so you can have access to it at any point in time from anywhere. All I need is to have an internet connection. Okay, so that's the idea behind this tutorial. Turn this PDF into a web-like experience.